made your dentures. These are your dentures. This is a try-in dentures. So this is like upper denture, and what we have made, because we are not having your jaw relations. So now we will do with this jaw relations. So we will send this dentures to you, and you have to record your jaw relations and send them back so that we can make your final denture. So this is your temporary denture. This is a wax denture, and this is upper full denture, and this is lower partial denture. This partial denture will be a flexible denture. This partial denture will be a flexible denture, and this will be a full denture. And now what you have to do is, you have this all will be coming in your box, in your shipping box. This everything is coming to you, and after receiving that box, just take it out, and what you have to do is just wash them off. Both you can wash them with soap and water. After that, what you can do is, we will be sending you this also. To make, you have to just pour the impression material over here. So you have to, for one, I'll show you demonstration. You will be getting these two syringes. One is this syringe and one is this syringe. You will getting two syringes. So just you have to load over this. So this material will flow into this like this. See, this all material is going to flow over here. So just you have to flow at every part of it. Okay, small material or more depending upon you. Just mix it evenly over the surface, and then you get on your bite. Just fix it over your upper jaw. So similarly, you will place this lower jaw. Similarly, once you have made this thing, then similarly adding material over the impression surface here below to the teeth, just place this also. Okay, so once your upper is fixed and the lower is fixed, after that you have to, with the help of someone, you have to put every material here and then just bite over it. Got my point? Let's suppose it is like you have fixed, you have this all also fixed here, like you have put much material again here. Okay, and now you fix it here. See, you just fix it here. So this is fixed, and similarly you have fixed it here for a good impression. So you have fixed over the upper region. Okay, now what you have to do is, you take a help of some person and then just put some material here on the upper surface. So upper surface, this is like this is done. So you take out and then place it, this material over here, and then just bite. See, just bite. So when it is bite, and now we will get everything. You see, it's coming, and it would take some time. We got this. Everything is love material. Now it is set completely. So how you will remove is like this. You will open. You are going to get this. This we want. This is your jaw relation, your pattern of biting. So this we will get. You just take it out. Anyhow, it is like, it is hard. So we would be requiring this thing. This is with your mouth. Okay, so we need this. We need this impression. Take out slowly. You will be getting. Oh, you can just see this. This you will be getting. Okay, and similarly you will be getting this for your secondary impression. So we will have a better denture seating or better denture. So this is how we are getting. So this would be fixed inside only, because this is a material which is, this is just for demonstration. So first you have to load the impression over the upper jaw, upper denture, and then just place it over your upper jaw. Then you have to make it for the lower one, okay, and then you take out upper, keep lower in your mouth itself. Then for the upper, just this all things is set. Now lower is also set, the upper is also set. Take it out also. This thing is just stick over this, okay, and this is stick. This is also stick to this surface. So when you both the things is out in your hand, then place this for the teeth pattern. Just place here and then keep both the things and then bite. Okay. So we are doing the second step for your good dentures, because you are completely edentulous from the upper jaw, and you are completely edentulous. Lower you have you are missing over one side. Bilateral you are having missing teeth. So this is what best we can do to carry out your good dentures with good stability and support. If you wish that if you are okay with this treatment and we can carry on, then please let me know. I am sending you this video. Please have a look. Thank you.